Hello traders, hope you guys are doing good. This is your JPY and we are on the daily time frame. Actually, this will be a tutorial. I will show you guys how to enter a trade if you missed the right entry. If you have a setup and somehow you just missed it and you didn't put a limit order and somehow the price moved away from the entry you wanted to enter the price in. So in this example, we have this Euro JPY. As you can see, now after it went to the downside, it managed to break this area of support. So this is a good area of support. Once it's breaking, it refers to that the price will continue to the downside. The right entry after breaking a support is to wait for a nice retest around the area of support, and from there put your limit order or enter directly. This will give you a smaller stop loss and of course a better entry. So what happened here, actually this happened to me. I did missed the entry around here. So what to do if I missed my entry on your JPY? What I'm gonna do is gonna open a smaller time frame. You're gonna start from the 1 hour and then go smaller. So this is the 1 hour. As you can see, we have this area of support that the price is unable completely to close below it. So my entry was supposed to be around here. This is the right entry. I missed it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw an area of support at the place where the price is unable to break it, and I will wait for the price to come below it and close below it on the same time frame I chose. So chose and I draw the block in. So I chose the 1 hour and I drew the block at the 1 hour time frame. So I'm gonna wait for a 1 hour closure below the area, and from there I'm gonna enter my sell trade. So right now, as you can see, the price is unable to close. If we went to the 30 minutes candlestick, you will see that also the price didn't close. We have a small close, not really good one. What about the 15 minutes? We have a closure in the 15 minutes, but I would say that I would stick to the 1 hours, 1 hour time frame. I believe it's much better and it looks good. So I will wait for the price to come below this area, close, and from there I will enter my sell trade. So this is how to catch the trade that you missed. Don't worry if you missed the right entry, you will always find different entries. You can also use smaller time frames and use your FIB tool, use and draw on a small wave, and from there also enter your entry at the 71 or the 78 FIB level. So don't worry if you missed your entry, you can always go back to it. The price will continue in the right direction. If you choose the right direction from the beginning, then don't worry. If you are targeting to sell your JPY and it's the right direction for the price, don't worry, you will find multiple areas to enter. If you missed your first, you can enter the second or the third time. Just make sure that you enter in the right place to have a small stop loss and you won't face also the market manipulation. I hope you guys benefit from this analysis. Stay safe, everybody, and I'll see you in the next idea.